Snowing, 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 snowing. Snowing, snowing. I mean, isn't Minnesota just beautiful? I've been all around the country, dude. I lived in Florida for about 3.5 years, but I've traveled pretty much the entire country, except I haven't done a lot of East Coast. I'll tell you one thing, there ain't nothing like Minnesota, ain't nothing like Minnesota people. Obviously, there's things, that can get annoying, but I'm telling you, Minnesota's a great place to raise your kids. I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah, you betcha. But can't beat it. I love Minnesota. Shout out to Minnesota. Keep being cool.